What are some good reasons not to test?
One reason that comes to mind that you shouldn't be testing is if you're not dealing with risk, if you're not dealing with uncertainty. So if you're doing something that you know it's 100% discardable,
For example,
a spike, for example, or a prototype, where like this is not gonna see the light of production. This is not gonna be shipped to customers. You're doing something for experimental purposes, and the experiment has an expiration date.
Right,
That's
and it's very short, right?
It's very short. Exactly.
If the expiration date is 1 year, would you test it?
That's completely different. I'm talking about minutes here,
Right, yeah.
For example, you don't know how an API works and you want to see it in action. Yeah, like you shouldn't probably be testing that.
Like a playground, right? You just want to
Exactly.
see it working.
Prototypes.
So work that will be discarded soon.
Exactly.
Like a
Soon.
prototype.
Like a prototype.
Or a spike. Okay.